Some pathogens resist destruction by host defense mechanisms or exploit them for their own purposes. Some pathogens induce a normal immune response but have evolved specialized mechanisms for resisting its effects. For instance, some bacteria that are engulfed in the normal way by macrophages have evolved means of avoiding destruction by these phagocytes. Indeed, they use the macrophages as their primary host. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, for example, is taken up by macrophages but prevents the fusion of the phagosomes with the lysosome, protecting itself from the bactericidal actions of the lysosomal contents. Other microorganisms, such as Listeria monocytogens, escape from the phagosome into the cytoplasm of the macrophage, where they can multiply readily. They then spread to adjacent cells and tissues without emerging from the cell into the extracellular environment. They do this by hijacking the host cytoskeletal protein actin, which assembles into filaments at the rear of the bacterium. The actin filaments drive the bacteria forward into vacuolar projections to adjacent cells. These vacuoles are then lysed by the Listeria, releasing the bacteria directly into the cytoplasm of the adjacent cell. In this way, they avoid attack by antibodies. Cells infected with Listeria monocytogens are, however, susceptible to killing by cytotoxic T cells. The protozoan parasite, Toxoplasma gondii, can apparently generate its own vesicle, which isolates it from the rest of the cell because it does not fuse with any cellular vesicle. This might actually enable Toxoplasma gondii to avoid making peptides derived from its proteins accessible for loading onto MHC molecules, and thus remain invisible to the immune system. And that some pathogens resist destruction by host defense mechanisms or exploit them for their own purposes. Have a great day.